In this video, we will guide you through the process of connecting your online store with Spocket. First, you need to access your Spocket account and navigate to the Products section. Here, you can see all the available products that you can potentially sell in your store. Next, select the option to connect your store from your Spocket account. Depending on the type of product you want to sell, you may also connect your store using a Shopify file. Choose the appropriate method based on the product source. Once you have selected the connection method, you need to confirm the integration by clicking the selection button. After that, ensure that your payment settings are properly configured so that your store can process orders efficiently. For users who have subscribed to the premium plan or higher tier plans, additional features and automated options will be available to simplify the process. However, even with the free version, you can fully use the standard method to connect your store and start dropshipping effectively. By following these steps, your store will be properly connected with Spocket, and you will be ready to manage your products and orders smoothly. This setup allows you to efficiently run a dropshipping business while maintaining control over your store's inventory and product selections. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.